Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2006 Acura MDX. All of the headlights are accessible by simply reaching behind the bulb housing. No tools nor extensive parts removals will be required to change these bulbs. There are two separate interior fuse boxes and two separate engine fuse boxes in both of the front footwells and on both sides of the engine bay, respectively. You may need a tool to help you pry off the covers, but they remove quickly to give you access to the fuses. And one of the engine fuse boxes comes provided with a fuse puller for your convenience. Both the oil drain plug and the oil filter are accessible from underneath the vehicle. You won't have to crawl too far back, nor remove any large panels to access these parts for an oil change. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You must use voice prompts to connect your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth. This process is rather unintuitive, and you might need to make several attempts before the phone will connect. You will have to remove the glove box in order to access the cabin air filter. The glove box is secured by multiple different fasteners, and you will need many different tools in order to disengage it before you can reach in for the filter. The spare tire is stored underneath the vehicle and must be lowered via the hex nut on the floor of the trunk. This is an unintuitive design, as the spare could become rusted to the undercarriage and be rendered inaccessible in the event you'll need to service a flat. Overall, the 2006 Acura MDX is a somewhat easy vehicle to maintain, but prospective owners should still be prepared for some lengthier procedures on account of rather compact setups.